Hi, Bob C here, and I'm just doing this video. Don't mind the dogs in the background. This is a daily event over here. Anyway, I'm doing this as a follow-up with the power cleaning of the cymbals using the the brush there on your drill, and with Wright's copper cream. I just want to let people know that copper cream is a compound and it's got grit in it. So in the bright sunshine today, I noticed, I don't know if you can see it here on large, but there is some scratching from the turning motion of the brush. So this is going to be another one of those things. And also on this one I did the other night. I don't know if you can see that. Get it right with the sun. But there is some finite scratching. If you don't care for that, or if that's a problem for you, don't even consider using this method. And I think the brush isn't the problem, it's the compound itself, because the brush isn't really all that hard, it's just nylon bristles. So I'm gonna have to look at some other cleaners that don't have abrasive particles in it to avoid the situation. All right, so I'll do a follow-up when I find something. Until then, God bless, have a great day, and catch you on the next one. Bye.